Madam Attorney General, welcome. I admire your poise, and I appreciate all the work that you and your staff have done to prepare for this oversight hearing. Article 1, Section 9, Clause 8 of the United States Constitution prohibits officials from accepting money from foreign government while in office. The Constitutional Convention of 1787 unanimously adopted the clause to prevent foreign influence on government officials. According to Secretary Clinton's public financial findings, she and former President Clinton appear to have received payments from his speeches directly from foreign government or an instrumentality of a foreign government. Yet none of the publicly released emails suggest the State Department ethics officials analyzed whether their joint income violated the constitutional restriction. Has the Justice Department analyzed whether the Clintons' income from foreign sources may have violated the provision of the Constitution?
Well, Senator, you certainly raised an interesting issue. I can tell you that the matter that has been under discussion both in this and other proceedings has been the Department's review of how the State Department handled classified information. So I'm not aware of any other issues along the lines of what you have outlined.
Would it be possible to have the Department looked into it and report back to this committee?
Well, Senator, certainly if you would provide us information, we would see. I'm not sure that I could promise you a report at this time. I don't know what issues would be implicated. I don't know the timing of the issues that you've mentioned or the amounts that you've mentioned or the relevant rules of at
We'll
that
follow
time.
up with a formal request. I assume that the record's going to be held open, so we'll do that. One final question, then. It sounds as though, based on the answer to that question, that the Justice Department did not play any role in advising the State Department about the ethical or legal questions that may be raised from the former president's speaking engagements.
From President Clinton's speaking engagements?
That's correct. And the ethical questions based on the joint filings with Secretary Clinton. Back to the same question. You haven't been consulted by the State Department on this matter?
Well, Senator, with respect, I'm not sure the timing of when that would be, when that would have occurred. And so I simply don't have an answer for you on that. I do not believe that we would have consulted with the State Department. I believe that you may want to raise that with the State Department's internal process.
And we'll include that in follow-up questions.